Hi everyone, my name is Tariq and I will show you how to open a new project and create a new video in VSDC. If you haven't installed VSDC Video Editor yet, I suggest you watch my first tutorial video of how to install VSDC Video Editor before watching this video. If you already have a VSDC installed and you want to learn how to get started on a project and learn the basics, then you came to the right place. So, let's get started. Step 1. Open your VSDC software. And since we are editing for free, simply close the Pro version offer. Step 2. Click on New Project underneath Projects or Blank Project underneath Start Project Now. Step 3. Type the name of the video in the project title box. Set your device to free configuration, resolution to HD 1280 x 720 pixels, frame rate to 60 FPS, frequency to 48,000 Hz, opacity to 100% and channels to stereo. Leave the background color to automatic color. Please note you don't have to add the details for author, copyright, date, description, or publisher. Those are optional. Step 4. Once you've chosen these settings, click Finish to get started on your video project. Step 5. To add a video clip, you can go to Add Object and click on Video, or you can just click the Add Video shortcut icon. They are both the same. Choose whichever way you prefer. Adding a picture is similar to adding the video. Just click the Add Picture shortcut. We will go into more detail soon. Please note that if you are going to add a number of pictures and videos, don't do them all in one go. It will cause the layers to become messy and you may get a headache while editing. I highly advise you to add one picture or video at a time to make editing easier. Step 6. Let's try to add a picture. Go to Add Object and click Image, or you can just click the Add Image shortcut icon. They are both the same. Choose whichever way you prefer. Let's select a picture. It can be any size and any type. Just choose a picture that suits your own wants or needs. These are the basics that you need to start using VSDC. For our next video, I will show you how to add text and shapes, use layers, and adjust timings. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you like it, that's great. If you dislike it, I am open to your suggestions of how I can make the instructions even better. I hope to see you in the next tutorial video. See you then. Bye. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share.